How to play Roblox with friends.
Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So first of all, open the Roblox app, and here on the bottom of the right hand side you can see the option of more. So just click on that and press on friends. And here you can simply type the name of the ID of your friends and you can add them, or you can connect them with your contact number, or you can share them your QR code, or you can scan their QR code. And once you are connected, you can play any game with your friends. So let's play this game. To add friends in this game, you simply have to click on the icon of the people, and here you can click on invite friends, and you can simply search and invite your friends. So that's it. To play Roblox with friends in mobile is just that easy. If you like this video, or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.